Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Under the hood we have a 3.0 liter V6 Eco Diesel engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks fantastic. You got that chrome accenting on the grille there, as well as you do have your lights, your chrome bumper there with your tow hooks and your fog lights. And coming around the side here, we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look awesome. You got your running boards along the bottom and your heated exterior mirrors in the chrome there. Coming around to the back, we got our box here. Looks fantastic. You do have your chrome back here as well on the bumper with the parking sensors. You also have the dual exhaust pipes, Bighorn badging, and your backup camera there. Can't open it up. Lots of room back here. Looks very nice, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting wrecked or scratched. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our remote start there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Handle here with some storage here and here. Looks fantastic in here as well. The cloth seats are very comfortable, and they look very nice as well. They are electric, so backward and forward. Tilt and lumbar support was right there. And then over here we do the controls over lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control there. And we do have our controls over turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams there. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our oil life just up there. Now, we can also see that we do have our speedometer right there with how many kilometers, which is 8,200. Not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside and which way we're facing, and we can switch around to our vehicle info, our fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our trailer tow options, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. Now that is control from right here with the voice recognition call out button, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then down here we do have our gear shift, just like that, with the control over the 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And when we are in reverse, we have the ever-useful backup camera keeping us nice and safe right there. Now it is an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab there if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Your controls over heated seats and heated steering wheel. Uconnect apps there. Climate control is right over here, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can also turn the menu off right there, and your phone options right over there. Now down here we do have the volume up and down with the with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power off auto, and front rear defrost. Then down here we do have the trailer brakes. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode. Then we also have our parking sensors. You have your heated seats and the steering wheel, some storage there, more storage down here with a place for your phone. You also have your cup holders there and your 2 layers for your glove, or for your center console there. So you have your coin holders there with 2 USB plugins and an aux cord plug-in there. You can also lift this guy up and you got some storage underneath there. And then right over here we do have the top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. And then up top you do also have your universal garage door opener and the control over the window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here. Same material as the front. Very spacious and comfortable. It does seat 3 people. You can fold this guy down. You got a you have some cup holders and armrest there. You can also lift this guy up like this. You do have some storage underneath there, and the same on the other side. You can also fold this guy down. You got a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and then under the floor mats right here, we do have some storage. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.